Hey, beautiful Gemini. This is your October month career reading. So, this is a general reading. This might or might not resonate. If the guidance is given to me to answer a yes or no question, I will answer that also. And let's see what the career holds for you for the month of October and what are the energies. Okay, Gemini. So, what is happening in the month of October is the month has started with the disappointment or conflict with some situation, and you have received a rejection recently from some opportunity that you were looking forward to, and you're not very happy about it. But remember that this rejection the rejections are never the endings, they are the redirections, they are recalculation of your move. Then we have Two of Cups, which suggest that you might think of entering into a partnership with a certain someone, and you are thinking to collaborate with someone or trying to build your network. See, this is how they are. These two people are trying to connect with each other with a totally different outlook, totally different, personality. So you are thinking of this, or for a very few of you, you people might be thinking of switching your career roles altogether. This is what is there on your mind. And then we have Knight of Pentacles. So you can see that the growth for this month is quite slow, and you are feeling dissatisfied. You are not happy about how things are happening. And there is some ending, like you must have if you had appeared for some interview or you were waiting for a call, you got a negative response. Some of you have already got it, some might get it. And this is how you're feeling. You're feeling burdened, you are feeling tired, you are feeling rejected, and you think that everything is about to end now. This is something which you were not very sure about, and you find yourself lost. you know. But then we have the Justice card by the end of the month. So this says that balance will be restored. So if you have been working hard in order to get something, achieve certain position, or become something you want, you were working hard in order to get recognized, and you are expecting fairness, then that fairness will step in by the end of October. And the decision that you will make, whether it's about a promotion or a contract, or joining somewhere, or leaving some situation, justice will be served in that situation. The last card is Four of Cups, which is basically a warning to not to be dissatisfied with what you have been given. Okay, so what has happened in the situation is you wanted something, but it didn't happen that way. And you were feeling, you thought that, okay, I have been putting a lot of efforts, I've been doing so many things, trying my best, and still I'm not getting the results. And this made you feel like lost and broken and failed. But in this all chaos where you are not getting what you wanted, you are avoiding what the universe is giving to you. Okay, so what is happening here is, in the end of October, justice will be served, no doubt. All your hard work will be recognized, but try to look at the opportunities that are coming your way, and do not reject them only because you didn't get something that you wanted. Okay, because like we say that if it's your plan, it's good, but if it's God's plan, it's best. Okay, so there's no replacement for that. He is the best planner of all. So universe is going to give you something by the end of October, and please take that opportunity. Okay, do not have that feeling of apathy and disaffection, dissatisfaction towards something that you do not want, because this might be what you need right now, and the universe knows best. So, Gemini, for you, the overall energy is feeling dissatisfied, not very content about the situation that you are in right now. And because of this discontentment, you are avoiding the opportunities that the universe is providing you. And maybe this is not enough. Maybe this is not what you thought of. Maybe this is not something that you are looking forward to, but give it a chance. Gemini, at least this is what universe is telling me, that you should give this opportunity that is coming your way, irrespective of the fact whether you like it or not. Give it a chance, because you don't know, it might be a blessing in disguise. And always remember that not every ending is a failure. Sometimes it's a universe creating space for the right partnership or the fair decision and steady path that truly belongs to you. Okay, so we have, in the month of October, we have partnership, we have steady efforts, we have rising with fairness and justice, and we have openness towards the opportunities that the universe is giving us. Okay, so have an open mind, look around, grab the opportunities that the universe is offering you. It hurts when you don't get what you want, but then this is the best in your interest to have what you are getting, because sometimes the right thing is to have what you need and not what you want. Okay, Gemini.